Hi, like in my previous video, I introduced Google Cloud Functions. So in this video, we will try testing how to implement any code or functionality in Google Cloud Function. So when you go to Google, you can simply type Google Cloud Functions and you'll find a link there. So you can go to Google Cloud Functions and then for this you need to type a free trial for the moment because it's paid otherwise. So I'll just quickly show you how to create an account and we can go further from there. Yes. So you can type all the details here. They'll create an account for you. You just need to add your account details and yeah. So it's a 30 days trial. Got it. So you can see 12 months, sorry, it's not 30 days, it's 12 months free trial and you're given up to $200 for you to spend. If you run out of credit, don't worry, you won't be billed until given your permission. Great, that's amazing. So let's have a bit of tour of the console, how it works. Let's see. So console tour, just 5 minutes introduction. This tutorial covers the core functions of the cloud console to get you ready to build and manage your application in the Google Cloud Functions. So you learn about this GCP projects and the resources, high-level resource overview, activity logs, console, navigation and research, user and information management, technical support, GCP's browser use command line. Amazing. So use GCP resource, so Google Cloud Function resources, and the fundamental component that makes resources are organized radically and also organized. Okay, the project is so let's try creating a project. So name it like my first project. And if we resume, let's create, and there it goes, it's created. So confirm project and then navigate Google Cloud Services. You can always navigate things from the here and then this home and see high level view of any project. View activity across GCP resources. Search across Cloud Console. Get support anytime, so they do provide a lot of support. Manage users and permissions. You can just go here and learn more about the admin in the section. Access the command line from your browser. So we do have a Cloud Shell, the Cloud SDK, Google Cloud command line tool, and the other utilities you need are always available up to date and fully authenticated when you need them. So we're done with the tutorial, so we'll close that, and I believe it is quite informative, so we'll just give it a thumbs up. So while we scroll down, we find Cloud Functions here, and see, it does ask you for enabling API, and as I already tried that option, so yeah, let's create a Google function. So this is how your cloud, when you click on the cloud functions, it'll appear the function name, the memory allocated, trigger. You can select different triggers from here, like what do you want to be triggered at the moment by the functionality, and then you have the URLs, then you have source code, and then you have runtime. What runtime do you want to work on? And then you have the index.js right over there. And just I'll pause the video so that you can see what's behind. And yeah, the function to execute is there. Like we can start with hello world itself. So let's get started. So you can see it is creating the function, and portal like this will open up where you can create more functions, and you have your function resume. So you can you can alter the functions as per your need, like whatever functions you want to develop. And then you can, like, I believe every time you create a new function, they will be labeled over here, and what triggers are you using, runtime, and allocated, last deployed. So everything is mentioned over here. So it will take a bit of time. So then you can select the function from here, and then we have labels. Labels help you to organize your resources. So we can say first label, so it is giving a warning that only lowercase. Okay, let's keep the value empty, just save it. Okay, so yeah, because it is still running in the backend, so we have a bit of delay in the operation. So let's see what's going on. So while we can see that this is still running, we can click on the functions and see what's inside, and so we can see the invocations here, execution time, trigger, source, testing, again the general information about your functions, timeout, memory allocated. And if I just pause the video, we have environmental variables. Nothing is declared at the moment. So, and yeah, we do have a version type which we can. So obviously this is the first version if you develop any application or anything. So we even have view logs over here. Let's see what's in there. Yes, so this is the log activity. Oh wow, this is the log activity for whatever you form. So let's see. So this shows that there was a update function. I believe there was a failure because this shows that this is an error, and I believe we can always check this out. Maybe you see, you can always find the errors that has been occurred, and then there's even an information like what all things, like inserted ID, log name, operation, and all that stuff. So it's a bit of like hands-on activity we need to practice, and just have a bit of look around all of the pattern, and then we are all good to go. So we have all different things over here as well, logs integrated. And if we go back to my first project, great. We have a navigation tool. So just want to quickly go back. I tried finding some of the videos related to some implementation, but there was not many. So yeah, this is the very first time I'm starting from scratch myself for this. So yeah, this is how you create a Google Cloud function um, at the Google Cloud platform, and you can run and test your functions here, and you can actually deploy any application without a serverless, like without a server. So basically Google Cloud Functions can help you in developing serverless Google uh, serverless APIs. So that's all in this video, and hope you had a bit of more idea and in more detail about this, about Google Cloud Functions. um, Thank you.